all, welcome to Vishvaa Academy's digital learning. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about a very easiest topic, Euclid's division's lemma. It is there in 10th standard, Tamil Nadu State Board, okay, second chapter. A very easiest and important topic. So let us go into the topic now. We can have two positive integers a and b, so in which the condition is a must be greater than b. So we can write in the form a is equal to bq plus r, and r must be greater than or equal to 0, or it must be less than b. So this is the statement of Euclid's division's lemma. So what is Euclid's division's lemma? It is nothing but it is a restatement of the long division method. So we have three easiest simple steps to solve this division's algorithm. The first step, we need to identify the integers a and b first. As we know already, a is greater than b, so directly we can identify the greatest number is a and the smallest number is b. Step number 2, write the given numbers in Euclid's form. So what is that Euclid's form? Yeah, this is a is equal to bq plus r. Now step number 3, write the quotient and remainder. Once we write the given number in the Euclid's form, it will be very easy to identify the quotient and remainder directly. But the condition is it should satisfy r must be less than b and greater than or equal to 0. So that's it. So now we can move on to the problem. A very easiest problem I have given here. Example 1. Find the quotient and remainder when a is divided by b in the following case. A is equal to 12, b is equal to 5. So these are the two numbers they have given, 12 and 5. So what's the first step? Okay, we need to identify the condition a is greater than b. So if the condition is satisfied, directly we can write a is equal to 12, b is equal to 5. Right? Very easily we can write this. Now I'm going to write the numbers, okay, in the form of Euclid's division's lemma. So a is equal to bq plus r. Right? Now a is equal to 12, so that is equal to, I am going to write this bq, right? So 12 as b times q I am going to write, so that's the meaning actually. So b times q, 5 into 2, already they have given b is equal to 5. Okay, so I need to check it out. 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So when we go for 15, it exceeds 12, right? So it should not exceed 12. So we can stop 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so what is the remainder? The remainder is, we have 2, right? So I have written, okay, in the form of Euclid's form. Okay, so from here directly I can identify my quotient is 2 and my remainder is 2. Okay, so that's it guys, very easy. Okay, so thank you. For more videos, please be stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.